In this facility, advanced robotics handle the delicate process of assembly.
Here we see the Raw Stingray hides being moved by a precision robotic arm. They are placed on the backlit table for quality inspection before the dyeing process.
Once the central star pattern passes inspection, the craftsman uses a silver marking pen to designate it as A group.
The robotic arm precisely lowers the hides into the vat. This clear, bubbling solution begins.
A robotic arm precisely dispenses a highly concentrated emerald green pigment into a clear solution.
To achieve the perfect hue, the pale hides are slowly submerged into our vibrant emerald green dyeing liquid. The laser cutting machine precisely positions over the hide. The blue guide laser scans the surface before the cut begins. Utilizing a state-of-the-art laser, the machine meticulously cuts the smaller, more intricate shapes required for the internal card slots.
The craftsman gently presses the black calf skin, revealing its buttery soft, fine-grained texture.
The laser moves incredibly fast on this softer material, swiftly cutting the main interior lining piece and multiple.
The robotic arm precisely positions the stingray leather onto the bell skiver. The laser guide indicates the exact.
The bell skiver uses a rapidly spinning circular blade to precisely shave the underside of the hard.
Skiving requires a steady hand to create the perfect feathered edge for the card slot. Using a high-tech robotic arm, a thin layer of adhesive is carefully placed along the edges of the leather. To ensure a strong, lasting bond, the wallet panel is swiftly secured by a heated pneumatic press.
Using a curved knife, the craftsman meticulously trims the excess leather, ensuring a perfectly flush edge.
This rhythmic and precise motion, known as the saddle stitch, utilizes 2 needles and wax.
The Ari Alexa captures the flawless texture of the calf skin.
Each stitch, perfectly uniform, is a testament to the
After painting, the wallets are moved to the drying rack, where a gentle airflow sets the color and ensures a flawless finish.
The second coat is applied with meticulous precision, building up the signature dome. This specialized polymer creates the flawless, high-gloss finish.
The wallet is carefully wrapped in tissue paper before being placed into a soft, high-quality black velvet dust bag featuring the brand's embossed silver logo.